know that some widgets dispatch notifications? For instance, scrollable widgets like List View dispatch scroll notifications. Notifications bubble up the tree, visiting each ancestor widget, unless they're handled somewhere along the way. You might need to handle notifications if you're using a widget that has a scrollable in it, but it doesn't expose callbacks. So, how can you listen for these notifications? Use Notification Listener. Take a widget that dispatches notifications and wrap it with Notification Listener. It doesn't have to be the parent, just an ancestor. Then specify the type of notification you want to handle using the generic type parameter. Finally, add the onNotification callback. Returning true means the notification has been handled and it will stop bubbling up the tree. You can also extend the notification class to dispatch your own notifications. To learn more about Notification Listener and all the other widgets, check out flutter.dev.